Hi, my name's Anthony Silvio and I am the Breaducation Manager here at Brasserie Bread, where I run a training school where we teach adults and kids of all ages to how to make bread. Brasserie Bread is a wholesale bakery where we are making some 16,000 loaves of bread a day to deliver to our wonderful customers across New South Wales, Victoria and Queensland. We supply some beautiful sourdough loaves, pastries and cakes. At Brasserie Bread, we are eager to make bread that's full of flavour and nutrition, and the way that we do that is we go out and source our wheat directly from the farmers. So we're interested in the total farm to plate aspect of food. So basically we've got some farmers in New South Wales and South Australia that grow wheat for us in a very forward-thinking, very sustainable way, and that's one of the ways I believe that we put so much flavour and nutrition into the bread once the wheat gets to the bakery. Here at the cafe at the bakery, we are open 7 days a week, and you can come here and try some of our fantastic crusty sourdough bread, or maybe even a flaky croissant and have that with a cup of coffee. Our chefs here love creating dishes around the Valeriani oven that we've purchased from Euroquip, because it really makes a significant difference to the flavour. Our chefs love having the option with our oven that we can have some wood burning live, or we could also have the gas spitfire system, or both at the same time. So that's really efficient for us in terms of saving costs, as well as getting the right flavour if we want to burn some wood as well. The Spitfire gas system is also really handy. It's very powerful, so even if we've got the gas burning very, very low for a long period of time, if we need to just finish a dish off by giving it that little 15-second burst of live flame, we can do that just to get the right amount of browning on the outside of what we're cooking. In a few words, Brasserie Bread means to create the best quality products that we can with local Australian wheat that give flavour, nutrition and connection back to our community.